pray. Yeah man, RkTours and Excursion. That is it. RK fully outside again, you know? Yeah man, we're outside like all the time. Today we're at the beach. I don't know if you can hear in the background, but yeah man, we're at the beach. Today we're at 876 Beach Club. Yeah man, and today I have two beautiful ladies with me. They're doing one of them doing clear kayak, you know, but I'll do a next official video doing like a whole behind the scene and everything with it, you know. Yeah man, so we're just outside like all the time, you know, doing the right thing. Yeah, focusing on making the guests them enjoy themselves, safe and sound, and then, you know, do what they have to do, tours and whatever. So
Right. Okay, we can take that one.
beautiful, beautiful day, man. Burwood Beach. Fully outside. Yeah, this beach is one of the most beautiful beach that I know, and not because I live close to this beach, but it's one of my favorite beach because just look how beautiful and clear it is, you know, like it's really crystal clear. People taking pictures in the water, you know, a lot of activities goes on this beach as well too. We have when you pay admission to come in here, you get access to the bounce about, and you have clear kayak over here, you have parasailing as well too, horseback riding, you know, the clear kayak, jet ski, water bike. Yeah man, a lot of activities on the beach side. Beautiful Burwood Beach, you know? Yeah man. Whenever you're in Chile area, man, on Sunday, Saturday, Friday, don't matter the day, just take some time off and come chill. And that's the clear kayak over there right now. Yeah man. Oh, he's doing a flower shoot right now. Yeah man. If you want horseback riding, you can do horseback riding as well too, you see me? Yeah man. That is it. Yeah man, now we're just outside, you know? Beautiful Burwood Beach. Check it out man, believe it. You won't regret this beach. That's what this beach is. Like, look at the background, you can see for yourself. Extremely beautiful man. Yeah man, that is it. And we're just outside man, you know?
Yo, active for one push.
Oh, Nick, you know? Yeah man. You catch the deer water man. Dog, them say man, them used to
Give
be
me a
them
way,
girls.
sir.
One
Yeah,
boot, sperm
now
count,
you
everything.
Yeah, man.
Y'all supposed to do that.
Queer, like, really open, you see?
Bro, come eat. One of them make you keep them chance.
If they can do it for P. Diddy, y'all can do it for me. Okay, let's go back to the original one.
Really
Let's
like.
go to the original one.
Queer, like.
Because
So
I'm
this is
afraid
the
me
first
free
one.
like.
I got one more to pick too. Okay, I look stiff. I didn't like that.
Burly,
Look at my
man,
face. I look
man.
awkward.
So they're there for all the people in business. Huh?
Road. Take some pictures, you see me? Yeah, jet ski vibes, jet car vibes, you see me? Yeah man, that is it man, you see me? You're outside, man. Burwood Beach.
No, stop!
Eh? Yeah man. Chill. Tough still, man. The jet car, tough your friend. Bossy, man. Where you want to go? On the other side, left, right?
No, tengo como eso. Stand up.
Nah, listen now. Yeah, stop.
That's a good.
Eh?
That's a good.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah. Move them over. Move them. Move them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah man, jet car experience, you know, with photography service and drone video. Yeah man, real content vibes here in Jamaica, RkTours and Excursion, you know? Yeah man, that is it.
Push it. Have lift and push it.
Lift up.
Lift, well, wait for the wheel.
Yeah man, I'm away from man.
1, 2, 3.
Cloud,
You have to do it and wait for the wheel.
Oh, when it up
So
like.
once the wheel-
Okay,
once
like
the
when
wheel
it up.
come,
Yeah, turn it off now. Turn it off now.
Turn it off. Why I can see my turkey nail in?
Yeah. With the video? Video?
Yeah. Why try to
Turn around, more go on the opposite side.
Yeah, there I go.
All the way up, all the way up. All the way back home. Hey.
Yeah.
You gotta drop the camera in a bad
You're
man.
mad?
Hey, go
come
home.
over here.
Go home. Drive this way. No, wipe your face off.
What is that together?
Yeah, the cover man blood clot. Yeah.
Wipe your face
Yeah, come
off. Drive on this side of the boat. Hey, drive on this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, say that,
Shake your body.
No, we coming.